Hi, I'm Ken from DevSamurai. Welcome to AgileBox Tutorial Series. This video is a step-by-step guide for you and your team on how to run planning poker on AgileBox. Let's get started.
First, access AgileBox from the Jira sidebar. To create a game, you start by choosing the issue you want to estimate by move all the issues or filter them by keywords, HAQL, assignee, issue type, or status. Hit Show All to show already estimated issue for re-estimate. Then drag and drop them into the Pick to Estimate column. Press Create Game when ready. You were created with this form. Let's fill in. Let's call this one Backlog Planning R1. Schedule for tomorrow at 3 p.m. 10-second call choosing countdown. A brief description like add backlog planning and estimation. Choose story point estimation. Your selected issues will be here, but you can add more by clicking here and input the keywords or choose it from the list. Now select a card deck and include the team members. I'll go with the classic Fibonacci deck. You can also customize your decks. Check the link in the description for how to customize your planning poker deck. Lastly are the options. One more bonus is that we now have Slack integration. Your team will be notified when a game is created. Check the link below to learn more. Finally, press Create to finish setting up the game. To manage your game, click Games in the menu. Here you can create new games, edit existing one, delete or see detail of past game. Any team member can set up a planning poker game and only the creator will be the game facilitator. Share this video for your team to help them navigate AgileBox. Now let's get back to the game. Once everything is set, it's time to play. To join the game, click Games and then Join, and we wait for all participants to join by checking the status over here. Choose an issue to estimate, and once you press Start, the cards will brighten up. Select your card and wait for the timer to end or press Finish to complete the round. As the facilitator, you see these options. Adjust the estimation, submit, or restart the voting, or split the issue if needed. When you want to conclude the game, press Finish and all estimated issues will be available in a completed column ready for sprint planning. Fill out the sprint details and you are all set. For a quick planning poker session, drag and drop issue directly into the estimate box and press Estimate Now. In this mode, all participants will have the access to submit, restart, and split options, enabling a quick and efficient game.
That's how you run planning poker with AgileBox. Experiment with the features and let us know if you have any questions. Contact us via this email and we'll assist you right away. Don't forget to subscribe and follow DevSamurai for more agile and project management tips. See you in the next video.